Alright, I've got some good news for you. The US camping industry is booming, with 68% of park owners confident they'll make a profit in 2024. However, about 1 in 5 operators are concerned about staffing issues. And we get it. Many parks are seasonal and relying on student staff, which makes a consistent cycle of hiring and training. And we all know, while tech is great, you can't replace that human touch. To make things a little bit smoother, here are some tips for our camping industry friends out there. So first up, let's look at how you can streamline operations by automating recurring tasks like housekeeping and maintenance tasks, custom checklists, and other routine processes. Then let's talk about how you can embrace further self-service technology. Why not look at installing user-friendly kiosks for guest check-ins and key property information? Or activate your online portal for guests to seamlessly manage their bookings hassle-free. Activating these 2 key areas will help reduce calls to reception, cut down time at check-in, and free up your staff for more personal interaction. Now, let's talk automation. So why not automate guest communication and say goodbye to manual emails and texts? From booking confirmations to post-stay surveys, or even revenue generation tools like offers to guests for stay extensions and room upgrades. You really can go above and beyond. And finally, automation isn't just about emails and texts. You can also automatically manage electricity, water, and gas, accessing real-time meter readings inside of NewBook, or connect to integrations like accounting tools, point of sales, or even integrated payments. By activating any of these hot tips, you will allow your team to focus on creating unforgettable camping experiences. The possibilities are endless, so I challenge you. Think about how you can level up your business to help you navigate any staffing challenges you might see. For more insights into how you can get activated in the platform, reach out to our friendly staff at NewBook.